Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a mystery bag to show you guys from Shelly Cove. Do you want to know what I got? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have been seeing a lot, and especially more now that I actually clicked on it one time just to see what it was about. I'm getting like all of these different feeds on my or ads that are popping up on my Instagram for this company, and then I think it even popped up on my Facebook too, and I'm like, okay, let me go look at it again. And I did, and I actually pulled the trigger. Every year I normally buy myself something for my birthday, so this is an early birthday gift. So that's how I justify buying myself something, because I normally don't. So again, this has been going around on my feeds for Instagram, the little ads. And when I actually went to their site, I fell in love with this company because, again, the company's name is Shelly Cove, like shell, like a turtle shell. And they actually help the water life, the sea life, and every order you get to track a sea turtle, and I think that's absolutely amazing. So my order, I should have paperwork in here to tell me how I can actually track a sea turtle, and I think that's amazing. So I love when companies actually donate and give back. Whenever they're donating to like the oceans, the sea life, that kind of thing, it has like a special place in my heart. So I absolutely love this, and it looks like a lot, not a lot, but there's a good majority of their clothes that come in like a teal or an aqua color, which is my favorite color. This again is a mystery. There's no telling what in the world is going to be in it, which colors, that kind of thing, but I'm really hoping I get at least one thing teal. And there's 3 different levels. When it comes to this mystery box, they have 3 different sizes. I almost got the medium size so I can save a little bit of money. And if you guys follow me, you know I normally don't wear sweatshirts, anything that's like warm clothing, because I hate being hot and I'm never normally cold. But for once, this time, for the maybe 2 days that it gets cold, I wanted those 2 days to be rocking one of these sweatshirts. That's the only reason why I got this large one, is hoping, fingers crossed, hoping that I get a teal hoodie pullover or something of that kind of color. That's what I'm hoping for, or at least have some type of a teal design on it. That kind of thing. Plus, I can't get past what it stands for, the meaning behind everything, the giving back to the oceans, the sea life. I absolutely love that. So I had to put my purchase over here for my birthday for this year. It's all inside of this thing here, and I'm super, super excited. So for the pricing for the different levels, if you would like to know first, they have the mini size, which is $59, and it has a $95 value. Then there's the middle size, which is the classic. It's $84, and that's the one that I literally almost went with. And that one has a $135 value. And then you have the ultimate. This one here is $134. That's why this is my birthday gift to myself. And it has a $228 value. Now the clothing inside, when I went to like their sizing charts to try to figure out what size that I would get, it says that they use unisex sizing, and they go from extra small all the way to 3XL. So any of those tiers, you can get any of those sizes, and it is all a mystery. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in my summer mystery. And I'm so glad that it's a summer mystery, because their shirts inside should all be short sleeve shirts, and that's pretty much all I wear. So it looks like everything is going to be down in the bag. So they put everything, yes, they put everything down in the bag. Oh, and I have a few pages here. Oh, look at how cute. Now, when I say it could have been any color variation, down to the bag could be any color variation. I've seen this in so many different colors, and I think the one on their website is more of like a navy blue. I would have been cool with any form of blue or green, really, in that matter. I just really didn't want something pink, because I'm not a pinky kind of girl. But this one is teal. I love that. So you have this reusable bag. It's nice, and look how like deep it is. That is a really, really good size. On the back it says Greenway, packing with purpose. And yeah, so it's a nice large, really nice large, and you know, wide bag. Now let's see what is in here. Maybe this is my tracking information for my turtle. I'm so excited. You always get some free stickers with your order as well. So how pretty. Look at how pretty that is. So you have that one, and then you have this one. And I collect stickers, and that one is super, super cute. Look at the moon and like the galaxy. Yes, I like the galaxy. That is adorable. That is so cool. I'm like really, really excited about the free sticker. Now down in here it says, I joined the club. Look at how pretty that is. They're envelopes. And then maybe in here is, oh, there's more stickers in here too. Yes, Sea Turtle Tracker. I am definitely going to go to this website and it gives me a unique tracking code. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. But look at how beautiful. Just look how beautiful the artwork is. And then down in here with that is some extra stickers as well. Be kind to yourself. Yes, be kind to yourself and to others. Ooh, look at this one is beautiful. And look at the colors. How cute. And then we have this one here. And then you have some care instructions, which tells you how to care for the products. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to do the tracker so I can track my sea turtle. All right, so here's this. And again, they put everything down inside. Ooh, look at that color. Is that like a burgundy? Nice. You guys know how I love my burgundy. Okay, so there's the accessories that are put right on top. Now I know one of them, I think the larger one had like one extra accessory than, oh, there's another one down here. Yep. I think this one came with like 4 accessories and then the other one came with like 3 or something. But when you click on them, it tells you exactly what's included, like how many shirts, how many accessories, that kind of thing. So for my accessories, ooh, this would have been really nice in a teal color, but it's pink. It says Shelly Cove. It's like a hotel keychain. And look at how beautiful that turtle is with the hibiscus flower. I don't really care for gold, but hey, that is a sea turtle and I love it. And it has a little tassel on it. So that is really cute. So there's a keychain. Here is a nice large scrunchie. And I like that that is like a navy blue color. Then it has their logo right there. That is really nice. I like that. And it's nice and thick and it's navy blue. I love blue. I'm glad it's not pink. Here's this. I will definitely put this on my key ring. Look at how pretty with the turtles on there. And this does have a swivel. So it's a really nice like wristlet lanyard. Then we have something down inside of this. I can see through it. It's a ring. This I'll probably stick in a giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy because it's a gold color. Plus I only wear real jewelry. Anything else will turn my fingers green instantly. But you have like, it looks like a little whale tail on one side and then like a shell on the other. That is really, really cute though. And it came in this little tiny bag. Okay, so I think that is all of the accessories. Yes, now it's just the clothing and I saw some colors inside underneath this one on top and I'm so excited. Okay, so let's start with the top one that we already saw and I'm going to try to like close the bag up a little bit so I don't see those other ones that I'm already excited to see. So this is this color. It's not like a deep, deep burgundy. It's more of like a rusted burgundy. Yeah, not like a pure burgundy, but more of like a rust burgundy. That'd be really, really cute for like the fall time as well. Let's see what this is. Yes, it is a short sleeve shirt. So this is the back of it. Look at how pretty. Shelly Cove, and then look at that design with that turtle. That is so unique. I like those colors. And again, this is a really nice like fall color. And then you just have the turtle on the front. How cute. And you know what, you guys, I don't know if I ever did as a child, but I know now as an adult, I don't have any t-shirts that have a print on the back of them. That's cool. So if they all do, then I'm going to be sporting this really large, nice artwork on the back of my shirt so everybody can see. That is so neat. So number one, great choice. I'm so glad it wasn't pink. Let's go with the next one. I'm just going to dive in and grab it. It's black and it's white. And look, oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. There's the moon and the stars in that one. That could not have been any better. Whoever did my mystery bag, thank you. Oh my goodness. That could not have been chose any better for me. any better for me. Oh my gosh. That's the back. Can I wear it backwards so I can see that? And then there's the front. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. And so it has like this little design, like a mandala kind of like design in like it looks like a moon to me. And then it has all the stars inside. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. So then the one that I did see the color on, a sneak peek of. Oh my gosh. And look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. I love that green and blue in there. Look. That is gorgeous. And I love this teal color. So then on this side, you just have the one here, and it's like in a dark aqua, like an aqua green color font, or not font, but whatever it is. Font, the color. But that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Happy early birthday to me. I do not regret this. So let's get to that's my sweatshirt. This is like a mint green. Is it a pullover? Oh my gosh. See, some of them I seen like a fleece option, so I wasn't quite sure what kind I was going to get, but I did get is it a pullover? Yes, I did get a hoodie. And look at that mint color. Oh. Look! Oh my gosh. That same design. Oh my gosh. Again, whoever did my mystery box, if they ever see this video, thank you so much. I could not have asked for a better selection. They have my teal, my black and white. They have this mint color with the best image on the background. And then the burgundy, you have this bag that you can reuse for anything. And again, if you don't want a sweatshirt, you can always do the mini or the medium size to get the shirts and the accessories. And I think they all come in this bag, which again, everything could be at any random color variation because it is a mystery. I am loving this. I am loving this. I am loving this. I don't regret my purchase whatsoever. I don't. That is amazing. So 3 shirts, a sweatshirt, a bag, and 4 accessories is what I purchased. And again, it was $134 and a value of $228. You got the free stickers and you get to track a sea turtle, which I definitely am going to be doing. I'm super, super excited to do that. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, so again, this is something that I just purchased as an early birthday gift for myself, but I wanted to show you guys in case your feeds end up already or end up later filling up with this company and you're like, is it worth it? Because sometimes ads, I think they might be fake or scams, that kind of thing. But this one definitely is not. They have amazing designs and colors with an amazing purpose, and I cannot be more happier. So again, if you ever seen Shelly Cove come across, or you now want to, and you're thinking about picking up some stuff, they do sell all individual items. They even have really, really cute like short sets, pants sets. They have regular shirts, the hoodies, all of that you can buy individually. You don't have to just get a mystery bag, but I thought the mystery bag was going to be the best value and a great way for me to be introduced to the company. And now I'll know like how the shirts fit, that kind of thing. And if I want to go and order anything individual, I am more than welcome to, or I can grab another mystery and have another mystery, which would be amazing. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that they sent to me? What did you think of the colors and the designs? What do you think of Shelly Cove? Have you heard of them before? Do you want to check them out now? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.